Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon.
Epale. We have here Andres working in our project. Big surprise, commercial project for a restaurant. I will keep you guys posted. We have Junia, our Brazilian, working in this project for nationwide shipping. We have Romer here working in another business project. And Jessica. Yeah, Romer is Venezuelan. Andres from Colombia, Medellin. And Jessica here from Colombia, Barranquilla. Show myself. From Maracaibo, Venezuela. Woohoo! Let's keep looking here at another project that we have. It's gonna be for next week. And you know, sneak peek. So stay tuned.